G'day, Ben from K-On here. Today we're taking a closer look at the rear window Molle panel for the N80 and N90 HiLuxes. It's an awesome little bit of storage in the back of your car, out of the elements, tucked up away and secure. So let's get into the install. Starting off with our headrest bushings, you'll see that the central hole is slightly offset and there's this little indicator line there. That's because the N80 and N90 HiLuxes have a bit of a different spacing for their headrests. Today we're working on an N90, which is slightly wider, so we'll rotate it so that that line is towards the middle and the hole is towards the outside. If we were working on an N80, we'd flip it 90 to 180 degrees, but for today, that's how we want our guy set up. While the bottom of our rear Molle panel mounts to the headrest, the top actually wedges in behind these factory hooks. Currently the hooks are faced upwards. What we want to do is flip them 180 degrees. Now to do that, I'm going to take this little tool, pop him down behind there, and I can feel that I've depressed a little clip behind there and flip him around 180 degrees. Just to give you a bit of a better look, I've taken the hook out completely and this is what I'm pushing on behind there, this little clip. So I push that down to release it and then I rotate it. Can be a little fiddly to get onto, but if you've got a pry tool or even a small screwdriver, should do the trick. With our top hooks flipped, we'll go ahead and take all of the headrests out. So lift them up, press the button on the side and get them the whole way out. Go ahead and do that for all three. With the headrests out, the next part's super simple. Take your Molle panel, slide in behind those hooks that we flipped upside down. Line up your holes. That looks pretty good. Take your headrest and slide them in. So included in your kit, you'll see we've actually given you some of these M12 dome head bolts. Now the reason for that is, if you'd like, you can take your headrest out and instead use these bolts to secure it in place. Now, just be careful with these. If you have any rear passengers, you must use the headrests. The headrests aren't just there to help you have a little nap on a long trip. They're there so that if in an accident you get rear-ended or something like that, your head will hit this and it'll protect your spine. So we supply these if you want to maximize your storage space, but if there's any rear passengers or any potential for rear passengers, you must use the headrests. So something we really wanted to emphasize with this one was having it be really quick and easy to take in and out so that you can change it for whatever setup or activity you might be doing. So say for instance, you can, if you want to leave your panel empty just for the bling, you can, but it's much more effective if you were to say, swap it out for something like this, where we've got our two little storage pods and a fire extinguisher. Always handy to have a fire extinguisher around, you never know when you might need it. With the central headrest taken out, you can fit two of these panel pouches and a fire extinguisher in place. Lots of little extra storage that really helps you out. And quite often you find, you might only ever be having two rear passengers at a time, so you can keep those guys there. If you wanted to take it a step further, we'll take these guys out again. You could go all out and fill the whole thing with pouches. So if I grab some of these guys here, and I pop those in there, some more over this other side here. If you know you're never going to have any rear passengers, maybe you've taken the back seats out entirely, or maybe it's just your pet in the back here, you can go all out, fit the whole thing with a variety of panel pouches. We've also got the first aid kit in the middle there. Heaps of extra storage in the back there. Another thing you can do is you can always just leave the Velcro pouches, the Velcro backings on there. Come through and pop these guys into place, and that'll still fit. And then that guy will still fit in there. And then say the time comes around for a trip, pull these out, add your extra pouch in there, and away you go. And that's the install done on our rear window Molle panel for the N80 and N90 HiLuxes. Awesome little spot to store those bits and bobs that you don't have room for elsewhere in the car. For more information, head to the website, kaon.com.au.